Nuer Women's Relief and Children Care. We are the South Sudanese Nuer Women Relief and Child Care in the United States of America. The abbreviation is SSNWRCC. Is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. Our first goals are to help vulnerable children, individuals with physical disabilities, and unaccompanied or orphan youth living in the United Nations refugee camps. Second goals are to work with our South Sudanese youth or children here in central Iowa to reduce violence by having our own community center where we can do our cultural activities and teach our language on weekend and war. And a war has raged in South Sudan since 2013. The devastation in the area is overwhelming. Individuals of Nuer ethnicity have been targeted in the fighting in the region. Over the past 5 years, we deliver services with the highest levels of accountability and integrity. We are very proud to have provided medical care for displaced children in the war-torn areas of South Sudan. We support our target groups by providing clothes, shoes, and other basic necessities. In addition, we provide basic medical services and supplies and administer emergency first aid. While we are doing a great deal of important work, one of our challenges is raising awareness of the need for our services in the region. The South Sudanese Nuer Women Relief and Children Care market our work primarily through word of mouth and social media. We are looking for partners who can increase marketing for our organization to get more people to support the vision of the organization. Additionally, we are seeking financial support. We are seeking donors who can bring the revenue that will allow us to support a greater number of vulnerable children who are helpless, suffering every day in South Sudan conflict. We would be deeply honored and filled with gratitude if you would be willing to provide financial support or volunteer to our work. There are many other ways to help our organization. You can help by sharing our work to other people in your organization. Thank you for reading our vision. Please do not hesitate to contact us, Rebecca Lau, at 515-612-5709, Martha Look at 515-451-4764. And thank you.
Wow.